To our future scientists, I am Tolofelo, and welcome to today's lesson on the excretory system. Did you know the color of your urine can be used to show whether you are dehydrated or overhydrated? The color of your urine can also change due to medicine that you are taking and health-related issues such as kidney problems and diabetes. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to describe the excretory system. You should know what the function of the excretory system is, explain the importance of the kidney, bladder, and uterus, which are part of the excretory system, and lastly, identify and explain the health issues that are related to the excretory system. We are going to look at 5 concepts relating to today's topic, and those are providing the description, knowing what the function or the purpose of the excretory system is, the importance of each of the components that are part of the system, knowing the main processes involved in the system, and lastly, we are going to look at the health issues that are related to the excretory system. By now, you should know that we have a nervous system, and the nervous system controls many processes in our bodies. The process of respiration, blood circulation, breathing, and movement are controlled by the nervous system. Food is broken into small particles. Your body absorbs and transports the nutrients to where they are needed. But have you ever thought what happens to what is not needed? Your lungs excrete carbon dioxide when you exhale. There we have an example of excretion in the lung. The lung is excreting carbon dioxide as you exhale. Moving on to our pre-knowledge questions, we are going to look at a number of statements and look at which statement is incorrect. So A, we have the word ingestion. It states that it happens when food is taken into the digestive tract through the mouth. This is basically when you place a food into your mouth and you chew so that you swallowed, so then it is digested. And then B, we have digestion. Food is chemically and physically broken down into smaller particles. This is after you have placed the food in your body, and then it goes down your digestive tract into your stomach. There it is already broken into small particles. It also becomes broken down in small particles as you chew it, and that is the physical part of breaking it into small particles. And then we look at the third statement, which is secretions. Here, secretions help with digestion because the accessory organs such as teeth, tongue, and glands will release water, acids, and enzymes. And this is what also helps with breaking the food down into smaller particles. Then we have D, excretion. This statement says excretion is the physical manipulation of solid foods which is done first by the tongue and the teeth, followed by the swelling and mixing motions of the digestive tract. We know that excretion happens when you remove metabolic waste from the body. So we will say that D is the incorrect statement, and we can correct it by saying excretion happens when metabolic waste is removed from the body. Okay, we are going to come across the following terms when going through today's topic on the excretory system. We are going to look at the process of absorption. This is a process in which products of digestion are absorbed by the blood to be supplied to the rest of the body. Remember, you need energy to continue with life processes. We have excretion, which is the removal of waste products from the body. We have filtration, which is also another process that is related to the excretory system. Here it is when substances are separated from one another using a filter. We are also going to come across the word metabolism, which refers to all the chemical reactions in the body. And then we move on to organs that are involved in the excretory system, namely the bladder, which is a balloon-like sac that stores urine. We also have the ureter, which is a duct that joins the two kidneys and bladder, allowing urine to pass from the kidney to the bladder. And then lastly, we are going to look at what the urethra is, which is a thin tube-like structure that allows urine to flow from the bladder to the outside. Let us take a quick ad break and we will be back soon.